In our previous article, we discussed the various sizes of spouted stand-up pouch and how they are determined by specific calculation formulas to match the packing volume. However, it has come to our attention that these regular sizes may not always be accurate. For instance, a 250 ml top spout standing pouch may have a regular size of 170*100 plus 30 mm, but in reality, it can accommodate a filling volume of up to 315 ml, leaving an area of 65 ml unloaded. The question arises, why do spouted stand-up pouch reserve an unloaded area? There are two main reasons for this. Firstly, the unloaded area serves as a buffer area for air filling. When the packing content is a liquid or a solid liquid mixture, the spout pouch filling and capping machine need to fill the air and inflate this unloaded area to ensure the packing content sinks and extends the bottom gusset of the spout stand-up bags. This buffer area is essential to prevent overflow and to maintain a certain level of tolerance in the final product's packing volume. Secondly, the unloaded area serves as a space for air drawing. When the packing content is in powder form, the number 7 working station of the pre-made pouch filling and sealing machine needs to draw out the remaining air from this area to prevent the powder from solidifying. In conclusion, the unloaded area in spouted stand-up pouch plays a crucial role in ensuring the proper packaging of various types of products. It serves as both a buffer area for air filling and a space for air drawing, depending on the nature of the packing content. Understanding the purpose of this unloaded area is essential for achieving optimal packaging results and avoiding potential issues during the filling and sealing process.